Okay, let's talk about deleting notes. So as you can see here, we have several annotations within this model structure, and we're going to come in and actually look up the note delete function. And there is a table variation on this. So if you look up table note, you'll see that there's a delete option here, which uses Excel tables to perform similar operations. And we do recommend you take a look at the table option. It's just a more current function and more capable, especially if you're using things like Power Query. So by default, this is going to take the active model, but you can wildcard the models you want to modify and also the note names. So let's just look at the basket. Let's look at the basket part first. And let's say that we want to eliminate paint note. So if we run this, you'll notice that when I regenerate the display here, that it has removed that intermediate node that's there. You can be a little bit more generic about it. So if we said, let's say B star is anything that starts with B star as a note name, and we run that, as soon as I regenerate this, you'll notice it remove that from there. So you'll notice that we have this burr notes and paint notes across multiple models here. So if we came in and said start PRT, um, B star is anything we're looking for in here. We regenerate this, and you'll notice that it's going through each model and just removing all the stuff. If you wanted to get rid of all nodes from all models or all parts that are in session right now, you could simply come in and just use a wildcard across everything. And that's a really clean and fast way to just kind of clean up your annotations for models that you may need to export via STEP or some other neutral format for sharing with other CAD systems.